Hi guys, today we will bring you a new place and lovely place in Western Province. And could you please save this place as your place? And also, this is very special for the foreign peoples. That's why we are doing this program in English. And there's a direction. And come and see and enjoy with your family and save this area. Okay, thank you.
Hi guys, today we are going to present a new video about a very attractive place in Colombo area. It is, I think you know that it's Tumodara Botanical Garden. It's situated in Colombo district, but it is very famous uh, all over the country, and this is a very beautiful place. There are many varieties of trees, flowers, and animals also. It is controlled under Colombo Urban Council, I think. Then let's go and see more information about the garden and the administrative section of this garden.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop, I know I can treat you better than he can. And any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are we wasting time on all your wasted crown when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, better than he can.
This garden was started in year 2008. There are many places to visit in this botanical garden. This is very important because of this location of the this garden. This is one and only botanical garden situated in Colombo district, I think. I don't know, am I correct or wrong? According to my knowledge, I think this is the one place in the Colombo district, and this is the lake side of the botanical garden. In that way, uh, we can move to the top of the hill.
So say goodbye and hit the road. Pack it up and disappear. You better have some place to go, 'cause you can't come back around here. Goodbye.
Live from the rhythm, it's something wild, venomous. Enemies trying to read me, you're all looking highly illiterate. Blind ain't forgetting, if I'm in the mix, you won't find an equivalent. I've been here killing it longer than you've been alive, you idiot. And it makes you so mad, somebody else could be stepping in front of you. And it makes you so mad that you're not the only one, there's more than one of you. And you can't understand the fact that it's over and done. Hope you had fun, you got a lot to discuss on the bus headed back where you're from.
So say goodbye and hit the road. Pack it up and disappear. You better have some place to go.
Hi guys. guys, then we are going to see the most important place in this botanical garden, and you know what is it? That's the viewpoint, and let's go to see this place. And hi, let's go.
Hi, this is the viewpoint of this garden. This is situated in top of the mountain. It's not a mountain, it's a mountain range, and there are many places to visit in this garden. The viewpoint is main point to visit. You can, if you go forward, you can see the whole all garden areas very beautifully for that place.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money as long as I keep dancing. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money.
A very beautiful place to stay, and we can watch around, and the rose garden also nearby this place, and there are some constructions also we can see. Then this is the top of the mountain. Already watched this video about the garden and get some ideas about this.
And also you can come family day outing and with your love, and come and see this garden, but don't destroy the garden and keep it clean and save the nature. And this is special for the foreigners, and you can come Sri Lanka and visit Sri Lanka and see the beauty. Thank you very much.